Now let's see the second question. Now see it. In a freezer, the temperature of an object decreases 2 degrees Celsius in each hour. Now let's first understand what is the meaning of this line. Freezer, you know what is that. The temperature of an object decreases 2 degrees Celsius in each hour, means after every hour 2 degrees Celsius temperature decreases. Means if in first hour 2 degrees Celsius temperature decreases, in second hour also 2 degree temperature is decreases, in third hour also 2 degree temperature decreases. Like this way 9 hours this thing happens. Initially means firstly the temperature of an object was 28 degrees Celsius, means firstly the temperature was 28 degrees Celsius. We will see it in this diagram. Let us say this is the freezer, and in this freezer one object is there. Let's say anything, any apple, anything is that, and this object temperature is given to us, that is 28 degrees Celsius. Get it? Now after every hour 2 degrees Celsius temperature decrease, and this happens till 9 hours gets passed away, means this procedure will continue till 9 hours. Now see, after first hour, we can do it just mentally firstly. After 1 hour, 2 degrees Celsius temperature decreases, means 28 is firstly, and after 1 hour 2 degree temperature decreases, 28 minus 2, 26 is left. Get it? After 2 hours, again 2 degrees Celsius temperature decreases, 26 minus 2, answer is 24. Acha, in the third hour also 2 degrees Celsius temperature is decreases, that means after 3 hours 22 will left. Okay, again after 4 hours 20 degrees Celsius temperature is there. After 5 hours 18 degrees Celsius temperature. After 6 hours 16 degree temperature is there. After 7 hours 14 degrees Celsius temperature is there. After 8 hours 12 degrees Celsius, and after 9 hours 10 degree Celsius temperature is there. Means we reach to our answer. But how to do this question now? Now let's see, I am doing, you can see. Firstly we will write it here initially or firstly, that's your choice what you want to write. Initially the temperature of object is equal to 28 degrees Celsius. Get it? Temperature decreases each hour is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. Now we want to calculate how much temperature is there after 9 hours. Now after 9 hours what happens according to the statement? Now see, firstly the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Now after each hour 2 degrees Celsius temperature is decreases, means after first hour 2 degrees decreases, means minus 2. Again after second hour 2 degrees Celsius temperature is decreases, again minus 2. After 3 hours again minus 2. After 4 hours, after 5 hours, after 6 hours, after 7 hours, after 8 hours, after 9 hours. Means you have to write here minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 up to 9 times. I am counting firstly 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. It's correct. Now see, if in any question you people have to do like this way, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. In lower classes you have done like this way, let us say it's also 9 times, then your answer is ultimately 9 multiplied by 2. Now here also minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 written 9 times. Then that means I can directly write a 28 minus 9 multiplied by 2. Get it? So 28 minus, we know this thing that if in any equation multiplication sign is there or subtraction sign is there according to board mass, which we have to solve first, multiplication. So here also you have to solve multiplication. 9 2s are 18. 28 minus 18, 10 degrees Celsius is our answer. This line no need to write on your fair notebooks because this line I have written just for explaining you.